Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
The PPA on the last date, he had filed an application under section 91 for basically directing the IO in this matter to produce the original FIR copy. Because we have objected because they don't have the original one, they have produced the certified true copy. So they are directed, that application is allowed, we filed a reply, and that application is allowed and the IO is now directed to produce the original FIR. And our application is pending, the PPA has we have filed an application like I told you before. We have filed an application directing, asking the court to direct the PPA to produce the document in respect of the complaint filed by us, of us. Hence, now what has happened is the PPA has taken time to file a reply to that application. So on the next date, that on 5th of April, that application we will file a reply, and the application.
What is that application?
That application is basically directing the PP to produce the closure report in the complaint that we have filed, which is filed before the JMFC in Panaji.